Farmer Miss A member men announces marriage. Farmer Miss A member men is tying the knot on April 21. Men's agencies B Monst Entertainment and K Tigers Entertainment announced that she will be getting married on June 7. The wedding will be held privately at a location in Seoul. Men and her fiance, a businessman outside the entertainment industry, met in 2018 through a mutual friend at a concert. The couple got engaged in April 2023 and now preparing to tie the knot after building strong foundation of love. Men personally shared the news on Instagram, posting the news photos from her wedding